Hi, it's Jordan from Pogoffs. I just wanted to do a quick one, just to answer a question of we've had quite a bit recently of why would I only want to talk to someone, which is a really good question. So obviously we're offering a lot more virtual now rather than doing face to face, and so obviously this question's cropped up a bit. Obviously, when we're doing virtual appointments, yes, we can't be face to face and do any hands-on stuff, but it does give some massive benefits in terms of the stuff that we can do. So obviously, we can give bespoke advice to people in terms of what the injury might be, what the best things that they can do in their own time to help it, what best exercises they can do. So these things are all really important. They could make a massive difference to people in terms of actually being able to deal with it sooner. So rather than being obviously face-to-face appointments are at a premium at the minute, so being able to deal with it sooner and get on top of it quicker can make a huge difference, and get as I say, start the improvement a lot quicker rather than waiting that little bit extra for a face-to-face appointment. And again, there's a lot of stuff that we can deal with and a lot of exercises that we can give face-to-face, that we can give virtual over face-to-face. So it's a great option to have, a really important thing that we can do to help people. So if you are interested in any virtual appointments, please get in contact and let us know. See you later.